Juanita paid sales tax of $5.90 on a gift for her mom. The sales tax rate in her state is 7%. How much did Juanita pay for the gift? Well, if we're coming back here to our actual equation, the things that we're going to have to look for when we do any story problem is consider what the numbers mean. So $5.90 is the tax. The tax rate is 7%. We know where the percents always go in these, so this isn't going to be a problem for us. But is that the is number or the of number? When you think it through, it's asking how much did Juanita pay for the gift? Well, would the gift be more or less than the tax itself, the $5.90? If Juanita had 7% of this $5.90 here, if we put our tax here, then we're going to get an even smaller number for the end answer. So that didn't make any sense. It was 7% of the amount of the gift, because she certainly had to buy the gift. And that, then when it was all done, the tax was that part, that pull-out part. So what we have here is we do not know the of number. 7% of y equals $5.90. That would be the tax. Okay, so we could do 7 over 100 is equal to, here's our is number, and we do not know our of number. Cross multiply. All right, when we multiply 590 times 100, I hang my zeros off, they go straight into the answer. It's easy, it's fast. And 9 and 5. And then we're going to come over 2 places for our decimal point. So this number would be 590 this way. All right, our wall. 7 is with the letter, so we're going to move the 7 off. X would equal, I guess I'm using y here, sorry. Y equals 7 divided into 590. Okay, 7 goes into 5, it does not. Into 59, 8 times. We can get a 56 out of it. The remainder of 3, bring down our, then would be 4 for 28. This is where we need a decimal point because we're going to put some zeros on it. 7 goes into 20 twice, that's 14. And subtract, we have 6. 7 goes into 60, 8 times, 56. This one's going to go on and on. Subtract, we get a 4. I think that's enough because we actually are thinking about the price of the gift. We probably could go one more because we would then round to our penny. So let's try that. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, so we would have $84, and then here's our cents. The 5 is a power number, so it can bump up to the next penny. So y equals $84.29. Speaking of cents, the problem's answer has to answer the question, is it reasonable that Juanita would be paying $84.29 for a gift when we've got our sales tax of $5.90? So the price of the actual thing that she selected for Mom was $84.29. Obviously, Juanita has a good paying job. Let's do the Juanita problem one more time. And let's see if we mixed up the numbers, if it would really make any sense, if we could catch ourselves in, oh, I did it wrong. Okay, our 7% still goes here. Of this time, we'll be saying that the of number was the $5.90. And let's say we don't know the is number at this point. Okay, so 7%, I'll change it into a decimal this time, times $5.90 is equal to y. This time, we have our two numbers on the same side of the equation. So we can just simply multiply these numbers. Okay, so we would go 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 9 is 63. I'm carrying 6. 7 times 5, 35, 40, 41. 41. All right, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is money, don't forget. So we would only take it to like 41 cents equals y. Okay, how much did Juanita pay for the gift? 41 cents. That can't be right. Do you see how you could catch yourself by just making sure that the answer to the problem makes reasonable sense?